Welcome. Today we will have a look at one more Flat Earth Con. As you know, for bigger flat earthers, this is all about the money. Today we will have a quick look on a video from the con man, the snake oil salesman, David Wise.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am very excited to tell you about a brand new cryptocurrency called DomeShot. I've actually got some notes here so I don't forget to tell you everything about it. But DomeShot, aka Dome for short, is unlike any other token out there.
So it's more than a fraud token.
It's the official token of the Flat Earth, backed by a loyal community of supporters.
So it's designed to con flat earthers.
But it doesn't just have community, it also has utility, because DomeShot is the official currency of the Flat Earth Clock app.
Is anybody surprised that the con man DITRH, or David Wise, is a part of this scam?
Which boasts almost 200,000 members to this point.
An app designed to fool people and get their money. So now you have taken it one step further to gain more money from global flat earthers.
And while it does have community and it also has utility, its tokenomics are also very impressive. So, starting on September 11th...
And who is surprised that they choose just that date? Oh dear.
2024, there will be a free airdrop, or what we're calling the Dome Drop, for any Flat Earth Clock app user that has provided their MetaMask address in the referral section. They will receive 33 million Dome.
To a total value of $0.0000000 or?
For simply having their MetaMask address provided on the app. Now, on December 25th, 2024, users who have provided a MetaMask address and have referrals using their personal referral code will receive 1.5 million Dome per referral from the beginning of time all the way up until that date.
So, you want others to fool other flat earthers to join this worthless scam.
After that, referrals will be paid out in real time at a rate of 1 million Dome per referral, and that will reduce annually until the total supply of Dome is fully unlocked. Now, any unclaimed Dome created when a user makes a referral without providing their MetaMask address will be collected and stored in a special account, and on December 25th, 2025, that Dome will be airdropped again to any user who has provided their MetaMask wallet address, and that Dome will be allocated based on the amount of Dome that already exists in that wallet. So what it's going to do is, the more Dome you have, the more Dome you'll receive. So it's actually rewarding you for holding your tokens as opposed to selling them.
So they designed it so people don't start selling their coins. So I will come back to this later on.
So, to be ready for the September 11th airdrop, download the Flat Earth Clock app and visit domeshot.io for any necessary instructional videos. Dome is a coin that pays you to share truth.
No, if you share nonsense and lies about the earth we live on, you are rewarded with the chance to be scammed.
And rewards you for holding on to it. It's minted by flat earthers, for flat earthers, and for anyone else who wants to be part of a movement where the sky is the limit. Remember, with DomeShot, you unlock tokens by unlocking minds.
So this is the allocations of this coin. If you look at it, 80% of it is controlled by Dave and the other scammers. And they decided it so no one will sell before Christmas 2025. I'm sure that after the airdrop in the end of September there will be sales, so they get the price to rise, but it will not be sold by the ordinary users it will be sold by Dave and the rest of the conmans in this project. And when they get the price to rise, ordinary flurfs will buy more of those coins and the sellers will be the conmans. And in the end, this will not be worth anything, and the only one earning any money of this scam is Dave and the rest of the bandits. These have nothing to do with the shape of the earth. This is a ordinary con as usual from David Wise. It's only about the money.
Destroy.
And there you had it, one more scam from David Wise. He have no interest in flat earth, he's only in it for the money. I will be back soon with some lives and some shorter videos. I'm also working on some longer contents. The first one will be about military radio systems. I believe it will be up next week. Until then, have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.